Top 5 industries that is going to grow exponentially in 2024 and beyond. So if you are ready to learn a new skill, or you are just having a skill but you don't know whether that skill is going to last for long, so you need to watch this video from beginning to the end to know either you are skillful within these 5 categories. So if you are found within these 5 categories, that means that you are going to always have your job intact and you will never run out of job. So first of all, let's get into our first industry that I think is going to grow exponentially in 2024 and beyond. So the first industry that I'll talk about is content creation industry, or the movie industry. You know, nowadays a lot of people spend a lot of time on social media, like just consuming content, and they watch videos a lot, and people want to have like influence day in and day out, and people want to have a specific person that they take as their role model. Due to that, there is going to be a lot of demand in the content creation industry. So if you are a content creator and you think that, oh, this thing is going to be sustainable for long period of time, then content creation is the right place. So you don't need to worry about anything, or you can do most research because you need to stay ahead of trend. But I'm very sure that content creation industry is going to stay forever. It's not going to die. It's going to stay forever. And when you create one video today, it's going to continue to generate you income for long period of time. It's not going to die or so. So it's an evergreen area that you can venture into it. If you want to enter into content creation industry, then you're welcome to the platform. It's going to help you a lot to achieve financial freedom and also like influence a lot of people worldwide. So the second industry that is going to grow exponentially is that of the cryptocurrency industry. So you know, a lot of like a lot of companies nowadays, like they don't accept physical cash, and they also adopt like cryptocurrencies as their main means of payments. And due to that, there is going to be a lot of demand on cryptocurrencies, making it an area that if you are like a guru, or if you are a type who is like your main focus is on cryptocurrencies industries, or you are just trying to develop a cryptocurrency, or you are trying to invest in cryptocurrencies, either Bitcoin, Ethereum, any of those classes, then you are guaranteed that it's going to give you high return than losses, or you are going to get higher returns in those areas. So the third area that I'll talk about is the stock market, or the stock industry. So we all know all those social, like if it is true that, oh, content creation industry is evergreen industry that is going to exist forever. We know there is some apps that we create content on, which is like Facebook. Like this, Facebook is having their stock, and YouTube is also having a platform like Google. Like this, they are also owning Google, and Google is also having their stock. And like I heard that like, there is going to be a Twitter stock or so. I don't know yet, but based on news and other things, there is going to be that. That means that all the social media platforms is going to be having their stocks, and they are not going to, as far as these like platforms is going to exist forever, then that means there is going to be like a lot of growth in the stock market or the stock industry. So if you are the type who is also investing in stocks, then you are also guaranteed somehow that you are going to like be getting a good returns in that areas. So the fourth area that I'll talk about is the artificial intelligence, AI. So we can see that there is like people are trying to find a way of making things to look perfect, or they are trying to create robots that is going to replicate the way human beings do things. Like you can see that they just type in a prompt and it's going to generate like a video for you and so many things. So there is going to be a lot of demand in that area as far as people are going to be creating content, and there is going to be existence of consumers on social media. That means there is going to be demand for the artificial intelligence or the AI area, and people want to grow their companies and a lot of things, and people don't want to work more nowadays they want to work less and do more, like increase productivities. So because of that, there is going to be a lot of demand in AI. So if you are also like if you also want to venture into AI, or you want to learn new skill under AI, then you are also at the right place. There is no like way that you are not going to make high returns in that area. So the last but not the least that I'll talk about is affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing. This like industry, it has like been for years and it is going to continue to exist for years. And I know that people are going to be creating product day in and day out, and they are going to be looking for people to promote their product for them. And if you are an affiliate marketer, just know that, oh, you are still at the right place. There's not going to be like, there is going to be a lot of demand in that area. So if you are an affiliate, then you can also maintain your position, like try to improve day in and day out, and you are going to be guaranteed that you're going to be making more returns than losses. So, and this one, I'm just giving you guys a bonus tip. So this particular area, as far as people are going to be creating content and AI is going to improve, so we are also very sure that there is going to be a lot of demand in the editing industry. Those who are doing editing, graphic designs, and so many things, there is going to be demand in that. But you need to make use of AI so that things can be easy for you. Because if people are going to be creating content all the time, they are going to be in need of editors who can edit their videos for them. And if you are having knowledge on editing, then you're also guaranteed that you are not going to lose your job due to this improvement day in and day out. And just a disclaimer, all these things that I've just said is based on my own opinion. Nothing is a financial advice. So before you venture into any of it, make sure you do your own research and make sure that you don't just venture into any of it without any assistance. So get a mentor who can mentor you through so that you can get to understand everything better before you venture into it. So thank you for watching, and if this video helped you, make sure you subscribe to the channel, like the video, and turn on post notification bell so that anytime that I upload a video like this, you'll be the first